A very good morning, students. I am Dr. Nagesh KN, Professor and HOD in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Nagarjuna College of Engineering and Technology, Bangalore. Today I am going to discuss basic op amp circuit. In the basic op amp circuit, first one I will discuss with inverting amplifier. Inverting amplifier is one in which inverting input will be applied with the supply V1, non-inverting terminal will be grounded, then it is said to be an inverting amplifier. With the sketch I will describe and explain. Supply, this is V1, inverting terminal, non-inverting terminal will be grounded, inverting terminal with the V1 is the input, R1 is the resistor, current I1 node current, RF is the feedback resistor, IF is the current leaving the node, I1 is the current entering the node, and Vout is the output. Input is sinusoidal signal with respect to T, Vin. Always the output is 180-degree phase shift with respect to the input. 180-degree phase shift with respect to the input Vout. So again I will describe. Vin is the voltage applied to the inverting terminal and non-inverting terminal is grounded. Then it is said to be an inverting amplifier. RF is the feedback resistor and Vout is the output. Apply KCL to this circuit. Apply KCL. KCL states that the sum of current entering the node is equal to the sum of current leaving the node. Here I1 is the current entering the node, IF is the current leaving the node. Therefore, I1 is equal to IF. I1 is equal to what is the voltage means Vin, virtual ground concept, non-inverting terminal is grounded means here also with this node it is grounded. Then Vin minus, this is nothing but 0 divided by R1. This is equal to 0 minus Vout divided by RF. 0 minus Vout divided by RF. Therefore, Vin divided by R1 is equal to minus Vout divided by RF. I'll send this RF to this side. Therefore, RF divided by R1 is equal to Vout minus Vout. I'll send entire this minus Vout to this side and this term to this side I'll sign. This is Vout plus Vout, it will become minus RF divided by R1 into Vin. I'll send this Vin to this side. So Vout is equal to Vin minus RF divided by R1. What is Vout by Vin? Is nothing but gain. Gain AV is equal to minus RF divided by R1. Gain is nothing but output by input. Instead of Vout by Vin, I have written gain AV is equal to minus RF by R1. This is the final equation, that is 180-degree out of phase with respect to the input. Thank you, students.